get coffee and get all those damn vodka out of the system. At least I spawned the right kid this time.
İleri! İleri!
Topçu atışı lazım.
Game player, you better take the route I take. Try to get decent altitude before you take.
Yeah. Or AA.
Well, don't pay attention to the AA. Our objective is to kill the Rolls Royce. It's hit. Yeah, Rolls Royce come.
Dikkat, tanklar. Topçu atışı lazım. Kafere doğru.
Oh man, it's gonna be the last bomb I have, and then I'm gonna reload.
Dikkat, tanklar.
There's a tank here where I am, game player. Take care of it. You have more bombs than I do right now, I bet.
Top desteği gerek.
Is this tank still alive?
Well, someone destroyed it, the armored car.
Ağaç üstüne.
Alright, they're both dead. A new Rolls Royce spawn is being taken.
Ağaç üstüne, eli de alıyor, ağaç üstüne.
Where is it?
Where I am currently moving towards the trees. I'm dead.
Teyyareler buraya. Düşman askerler göründü. Vatan için. Dikkat, tanklar.
I am coming back to main to repair my plane.
Well, I got a new one. Okay, we're capturing the village flag. If we have control of that, well, we still won't have control of the tank, but we're close to it.
Dikkat, tanklar. Kafere doğru. Ağaç üstüne.
Alright, the tank is currently heading out in the corner of the map. He doesn't want to be captured anymore.
İleri yerde infaz edilecek.
Our objective is to make sure he doesn't have a chance. I killed the Rolls Royce still active. Kill. Last seen at The Twain flag, I think? Yeah, it's the Twain flag. How you manage that, game player? How the hell are you gonna take off now?
Don't really know.
Oh, so you have to blow it up.
Hello?
Hello.
Alright, I'm coming up. How's the battle going?
Well, currently we're not losing, but we're not winning either. We're close to capturing the tank again, I think. If we can control them again. Player, we need to take out that tank.
Yeah, where is it?
It's currently at the flag. We have.
Yeah, hard to but okay.
I can barely see it. It's behind a tree. Okay, I hit it once. Now you
What's password?
sand.
Sand. Sorry.
I hit it, but not enough. I think I got it. No, or did I? No, you got it, I think.
No, I don't think so. Enemy blew me up. Wait in another plane.
I think we need to. Oh, our team is sneaking up behind them.
İleri.
I see the tank.
Alright, I'm heading towards your direction. I just need to have some decent altitude. Alright, the was switch towards the back. He's now in the back. We captured.
Tank in the village.
I know. Where the hell is the Rolls Royce? Or did it blow up?
Tank down.
Oh, you have the tank. I didn't even see it. Okay, we have control over these things now. If the tank spawns, we will be able to use it now. You should tell our guys to actually go close to where that tank spawns. So we instantly catch it for the enemy does.
Ready for the tank. It's respawning.
Yes, but we have the flag. Do not bomb it yet. Tell our guys to capture that tank. It's spawned. I'm not shooting it. We have it. We have it. Actually, yeah, Bernard is a good pilot.
Beni de alın. Baş üstüne.
We have a maybe armored car at the gray flag.
Oh, well, I have no bombs, so be coming back soon.
Don't know if that is that ours or the enemy.
Well, make sure it's ours.
Yeah, it's ours.
Yeah, there's no way they can win this one.
No, because we have control over the tank now.
I mean, not only the tank, but we only need to capture B7 to stop bleeding, so...
Yep.
I mean, we just never bleed. And they don't have a main base. This is kind of ridiculous.
Düşman askerler görüldü.
Well, we do bleed. They have to control that first flag.
Yeah, I mean, there's no way they can though. It's just too far out.
No, they can. They just need to spawn all of them there. Their entire team needs to spawn at that flag.
How exactly is that supposed to happen?
They can spawn at that first flag when in the beginning of the round.
I know, but I mean, once we cap it, that's what I'm talking about.
Oh, once we cap it, yeah, then it's over for them.
Yeah.
It all comes down to that first flag. They have to control us there, because then we cannot capture anything else. And even then, they can still control us if we don't get control over the tank.
Dikkat, tanklar.
Ah, AA.
Düşmanı geri çeksin.
Alright, they're bleeding now. GG.
Baş üstüne. Dikkat, tanklar.
It's away.
So what's the next map? Do you know about it?
It's always the same map.
Lazım.
It's same.
No, I mean, I'm not that new, dude. Talking about the next week's map.
But I don't know actually. I'm dead.
Yeah, I mean, this one's in the background.
You can find that from the forums.
Yeah. We were, what was it, 20 points behind? Beginning of this battle, right?
Yeah, but if we keep this up.
We're gonna be 80 points up, so we just need to win 2 rounds or something like that next week. At least, to win the campaign. Yeah, I mean, I guess that's doable, but if it's like this, but the other way around, then we might have a bit of an issue.
But if you have total victory over here all round,
Yeah, that's true. They don't.
Yeah.
They